Hey guys, it's me here, and I'm friending with my friend Madeline and my little dumb sister Kenzie. Comment down below if you think she's not dumb. I really don't mean it. Today we're going to be reviewing some slimes that Maddie actually made.
Yes, I made all of them.
Here's hers.
No. You guys don't show them all. Because we're going to show them.
Mine. I'm just going to show mine.
Show one. And then we take turns showing one. You open it.
Okay, so it's basically a magnetic slime. I can ever open this, Maddie? Maddie, open this. Okay. If you haven't been on my channel, you should look that I have made an intro. You guys have to tell me down below if you think I should use my intro. That intro. Fudge, Maddie.
What?
This is like not even slime anymore. It's putty.
It is.
It's putty, guys. It's putty. Fudge. So,
Where's the
it
magnet?
looks like chocolate.
The magnet's in there.
The magnet is right here. So, like, let's just, like, put it on here, on the lid. You guys can see it.
And then the magnet has to be in it to stick.
Okay, like, I don't know if this is a product that you should buy or not.
What would you rate it?
I would rate it, like, to 5, guys. Comment out a 5, 10, or 15.
I would say a 10.
Like,
a 5 out of 10. Do you think a 5 out of 10?
Guys, look.
I think that's
Would you do a 5 out of 10?
5 out of 15.
Sure.
Okay.
Put it back in.
Put it upside down.
Move.
That's the first. Nope.
My turn.
So here comes Maddie's turn. Nah, you don't touch my camera.
No, don't show her.
There you go.
You sit down.
You know, the light of the star. It's my channel, baby. And if you guys don't know, my phone did break. I mean, camera.
Here, I'll switch this back.
Move the switching thing back, boy.
Okay, now I'm gonna
This is covered by a red boy.
I'm gonna show this one.
Look at the camera.
So this is a clear blue slime.
Magnetic.
See? It has beads in it. It's really stretchy. Don't touch it.
It's my channel. I want to be on my channel ever again. You gotta let me touch it.
It's really pokey.
Does it smell good?
It smells like Tide.
It does? Really?
Yeah.
No. It must smell like it. Oh my freaking god, it's sticky.
Sticky?
Wait, did you say laundry detergent?
Yeah.
Good. Does it have borax in it?
No.
Wait, can I feel
Good,
it?
because borax burns your hands after you don't wash it.
Sticky.
You should see videos. Guys, do never make slime out of borax because it can burn your hands. Warning, never use borax in slime. I know some recipes may say you use borax, but after, like, if you use borax, make sure you really wash your hands. But I'm recommending don't use borax if you ever watch the news.
Yeah.
Because it can burn people's hands, and then you have no hands.
Go to the emergency room.
And get your hands,
Cut
cut off. We don't know. Please,
What's the pokiness?
YouTube, please do not flag this video of violence. No violence. Fudge.
Okay, now it's
Kenzie's turn.
Kenzie's turn.
Popped out.
Okay, show her. So this is hers. You twist it,
Oh.
and then you go
earlier.
twist it.
Yeah, there we go. Nothing
Crack
happened
it.
over here. Nothing happened over here.
I got it. Just closed it again.
Boop, 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 boop.
You're twisting it the wrong way. Oh, no.
All I do is twist it.
Hey, y'all.
That is a
Poke.
fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime, I want to feel it. Aw.
You get to
I want
feel.
to feel fluffy
You
slime.
get to feel this one after.
I get to feel that one.
After the video, you can feel it.
I can feel them all. I got neon. I know
It's
what
kinda
one. I know which one I'm
sticky.
doing next.
I think it's got glitter in it, maybe.
Hey,
Yeah, it's got glitter.
Let me feel it.
It's sticky.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yeah, I don't think that one's
Nice.
clicky.
Okay, let me feel it now.
One tip, fluffy slimes are usually
Who made the
really
slime,
clicky.
lady?
Me.
Yeah, she made the slime. Actually,
It's all-
this video is sponsored by Madeline. The video is sponsored by Madeline, by the way.
So here's the
She made the
slime. It's really
Now
pretty.
here's this blanket.
My mom.
Okay.
No encourage whoever that was.
Now I'm
I
gonna show
can't-
you
I
how
can't-
stretchy
I
it
can't
is.
edit that out, you know. I can't. Never goes up on YouTube. It goes up on YouTube. I don't edit videos. I like to make my videos.
Okay, put it back.
Really?
Now Kayla's turn again.
Oh, okay. What? Oh. Hey guys, so it's this yellow egg slime.
Of course.
Like putty. Always. It's more like putty than slime.
I feel
It
it.
is actually crystal clear, actually.
Yes.
You can actually see through it, guys. Look. You can actually see
It
through
looks
the
like
slime.
pee. Looks like honey.
It's sort of like honey.
Wait, can I feel it?
No, you may not. Actually, maybe you will.
Look.
Sort of like putty.
Yes,
Like
this
pee.
is putty.
Smells like putty.
Look at these two.
Smells like. Wait.
It
Put it
doesn't
back
matter
in there.
because
It kind of smells like
Put
Put that
lemon.
bag in there because we're going off to Maddie. Everyone should have like then like 2. And we should have like 3 left after this.
Maddie, let me know when that beeps.
Okay.
I'm not down here, okay?
Got it. Your turn, Maddie.
I want to do this. So, I
Save that egg.
now this is my pink slime. It has a lot of
Is it
beads in it.
fluffy?
It's in fluffy.
It's fluffy slime. Everybody comment down here below, please.
If you like fluffy
Number
slime.
if you like fluffy slime. Put
Or
a number below if you
neon.
like neon, fluffy slime, or butter slime.
Butter slime.
Butter slime.
Don't forget cloud slime.
Cloud
Or
slime.
cloud slime. Same thing, actually.
You should get the jiggly slime. It's like the best one ever.
Feel that, please.
It's really, the beads will fall out.
Fluffy this.
Touch it.
I want to touchy this. That's beautiful. It's not really fluffy.
So, because I
I say
add a lot of
I
beads
say
in
it's
it.
fine the way it could be. It's on its own.
Those are kind of weird looking beads. They look like
They're kind
fidget
of weird looking
spinners.
beads. They're like
They look like
fidget beads.
fidget spinners.
Okay, you're losing that beads, so put those beads in there. Okay, let's move on to Kenzie.
Okay, it's just this.
We're moving on to Kenzie,
fluffy
Maddie.
slime.
Moving on to Kenzie.
Very fluffy slime.
Make sure no one hits the stop
She's
button.
doing sticky fluffy slime.
I don't know how long this video's gonna be. I'm not even
not
looking
that-
at the clock.
it's not
I'm not even
sticky.
encouraging people to come look at this clock. I have no
It
idea
probably
how long
was
this
sticky.
is.
It's not sticky anymore.
My videos never been this long before. I used to tell people.
It
Won't be on
got
my
a couple
channel,
pieces of glitter, and it does not stretch really.
I'm saving the biggest for
But I
last.
got it.
This is a nice fluffy slime. It's green.
You call it
Wait, fluffy slime. Okay, after me again.
You can't keep too
Maybe
long
it's like a
doing
minute
with one
and a half.
slime.
I have like 3 more
Guys
left.
can't look at these guys.
Wait,
You guys
how do you
can't
have
look at
3
them
more left?
because
No, you're
they're
just doing
special.
2.
They're made from Maddie. I'm gonna be doing this neon slime.
This one's
Apparently.
I didn't get my next slime picked out.
Wow. Ooh,
see
okay, guys, this
Madeline.
has a good feeling, but it is very, very sticky.
I'm saving
There's, of course, there's also beads in here. I'm looking at this. Yep, I'm right. Alright, guys, I hope this will wait a minute. But here, you guys, here's a little look. It's sticky.
I feel it.
It's sticky.
I want to feel it.
Okay, here you go. Maddie, you made all of these. You know that, right?
Yes.
Except those 3.
No.
Because they're from.
No, I made it. I made them all. I made them all.
Okay.
Except for
I'm
the
just gonna
Except for these.
get that off my hands.
Okay, me turn.
Utah.
So this is the
Comment
one
down
I'm
below.
gonna do.
Utah. Utah's the best state ever. That's what I've been hearing.
This is a really not a good slime.
I can edit this.
Was it your first slime?
Fudge.
Yes,
I
actually
can
no.
edit this video.
My first slime ever in my life was a purple slime. It was like a slime kit,
squishy.
Nope. It's like a neon slime.
Was that like your second? But what kit was that?
It was like a mermaid.
No, that one.
A mermaid kit thing. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this a 1 out of 10.
Oh, I forgot to rate mine.
We're not rating them really.
You forgot to rate them.
I forgot to rate mine. For the egg, I have to give it like a 1. And for this neon slime, I have to give it to a 2.
And then that. Oh, what would you rate? I would rate this one a 10 out of 10. I would rate this one a 9 out of 10. And what would you rate yours?
Oh, that's hard. This one, I don't know.
She doesn't know, so I'm just gonna guess a 10 out of 10. This one,
Maybe like
what do you mean?
maybe like a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. And
No, that's an
That's
8
it.
out of 10. This is 8 out of 10.
That's it for Kenzie. Now here's her third slime.
Okay.
Show.
Another
Everyone
green
should like have
slime.
2 left,
This
right?
is a light green slime.
You have 2
Light
left,
green.
Maddie?
yes.
You have the egg.
One more left.
You want one more?
Yeah.
It is so far
Oh.
very sticky.
I had 4. You had 5.
We're gonna save yours for last. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Save that last egg for last. Kenzie, put that on
This
plate.
one's sticky. Kenzie.
Sticky, so I'm gonna say a,
It's barely even made it up to the
I'm gonna
5.
say 0 out of 10.
No, I think it's pretty good. So some people
But
like
Kenzie,
it.
it's sticky. It's just, you
Yeah, I think I need to go wash my hands.
Go wash your hands, Kenz. Go wash your
Take
hands.
this.
Kenzie, go wash your hands.
Okay.
Maybe that- try to put more
We're
on.
just gonna come back to me while you're taking out their difficulties.
Why?
You getting minutes with me.
The pink it. Should I go wash the rest
Yay.
of them?
I'll get it.
So the next slime is
Just go like this. Rub them.
Well, don't know what type
I'll
of
just
slime.
rub 'em.
Whoa, chill.
It's some of it.
Just rub it all off.
Okay, here's another sticky slime.
That is pink slime. Do not take it out, please.
I'm
looks-
actually touching it.
Please take
But it
it
smells good though.
out. Madeline, you're...
Maddie, your slime skills are terrible.
So is yours.
Hey,
No, yours were actually really good, Maddie. It's just,
most of them are sticky.
no, a lot of people like their slime sticky. This one wasn't sticky at all.
Maddie,
It
you're
was
gonna have to clean this up. I'm gonna go wash my hands, guys.
I don't
Then I'm gonna wait that. I'm rating that as a 0 out of 10. How sticky? Look at my hands,
Maddie,
guys.
listen.
My hands.
Whenever this dog is stuck, you need to get him up.
I didn't hear him. Go wash them. I'll just go to me.
Okay, yeah, go to you. Not to me.
Wait, weren't we skipping you so you can do
Oh,
yours
yeah.
last?
Oh, yeah.
So technically, we're skipping her because she only got 4 slimes to show you. And me and my sister only got 5. So
There you go.
I'm going to show you this blue slime.
No.
It's sticky now.
Well, you don't know what's in this egg.
Is it like putty or is it
No.
slime? Oh, this one's got those beads in it, and it's sticky, just not so sticky compared to the last one.
That is so pretty. Look at that.
That is. Was that your first slime?
No!
When did you get this one? Make this one.
I made it a couple
Recently.
days ago.
What was the one you made like a couple days ago that we? I meant the one that you recently made that we've had so far. Like,
The one that
I had to make one good intro.
what was it?
Into this.
Yeah, this is actually the same. This is like the exact same one Madeline showed for her
Smack
first
a
one. See, she has it too.
Oh my god, shut up, Kenzie.
We just separated it.
So Maddie, did you actually show them your purple
clear.
slime?
No.
Don't show.
Why did you tell them what color it was?
Not, guys. I'm just giving you like guess colors. I don't know.
It's purple.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it is my
Me
turn. Oh,
No.
we skipped
No.
her turn, didn't we?
Remember, me and Cal have 2 more.
We
So
skipped
one
her
more.
turn. No. Did you do yours?
No, we were
No.
saving it for last.
Well, we should all show ours.
Okay.
Kenzie, put the pretty slime away.
Okay, she can place it.
Let's go.
So it's my turn.
These are 2 different slimes.
Pink
and a green.
You guys can see this in the background. Okay, guys, I'm gonna move up closer.
It's two different slimes.
They are all not sticky, so.
Yes, they are. They're stick together.
Well, not really.
You're supposed to.
Well, they don't stick to your hands, for one thing.
Hey, wait, take them out.
Oh, chill, bro.
I really like this.
It's like putty.
It's not putty.
Well, chill. Like,
No, you're mixing it with the other slime.
chill, lady.
You're supposed to. It's called a mashup.
Kind of mashup, lady.
Okay, we're good now. Okay, this is my green slime. That's a pink slime.
I like the pink slime better.
I like the green one.
Oh, wait. I shouldn't have touched the pink slime. That would. You know what just happened to me, right?
What?
It's pink slime.
Oh yeah, but this one's nice.
I'm
Look at
gonna
it.
touch the green. I'm gonna touch the green.
I like the pink.
Oh, guys, it's pop out slime.
Why did you do that?
It fell on my leg. It was like, boop. I'm like, oh, wait.
Most of the
it fell
crunch
around.
noise is
Yeah.
coming from the blue
Chill.
slime I'm still playing with.
Guys, let's shh. Wait, listen.
Bam.
Shh. Okay. This is a really good slime.
I'm saying this is a 10 out of 10. I say this one is a 10 out of 10.
We haven't even done slime test. We didn't even test all of our slimes.
We did. I said that one. My last one is a 10 out of 10 for sure.
Me turn to.
Wait.
It's her turn. Because we all had one slime and me and had two. She only had one, she had four. So, like, that's it. I want to get out of one of your slimes and play with it while you're doing yours.
Oh, my kid's not playing with this. It's already fogging up because it's
My
clear.
egg fell the whole way down here. Can you get that? Can you get my egg?
Yeah,
Go over here.
And your blue slime.
I don't. Yeah, I know.
Why'd you throw it?
I don't know. Can you get my egg?
Maddie.
Chill. How?
She's never, guys. Comment down below if you should be on my channel ever again. I don't think so.
Okay, me. Don't listen to her anymore. Oh.
Listen to me. I'm the editor of this video.
Okay. So this is my anchor. Let's hope it.
But
Yes.
wait, what slime are these called? What slime is this called again, Maddie?
Ocean blue.
It's not an ocean. And it doesn't feel like one.
Well, guess what?
What?
Okay.
Guys, guess the color. Is it purple, blue, or
Orange.
orange?
What about yellow?
We already have a yellow slime. The honey slime. I'm gonna call this the honey slime.
We're gonna name them all at the end of the video.
And I will not comment down below. You gotta have to guess.
If you guessed purple, orange, yellow,
If you guessed purple, you are right.
it's a purple slime. If it might seem blue in the camera, it might seem blue in the camera, but it's purple.
Wait, it's actually, guys, it's like galaxy slime.
Yeah.
That's what we should call it. We should call it galaxy slime. After my, oh, actually, guys, if you look on my icon of my video on this tiny circle, you can see that I do Gosh Life. But if you haven't watched my intro, I'm deeply offended of you.
Madeline.
I'm offended of you guys if you haven't watched my intro.
This
I am offended. Slime is also a great choice. Excuse me. You want to be on the channel again, lady?
Yeah.
Then don't smack the editor.
I don't know
Which
why.
is me and the creator. I'm actually deeply offended with Maddie right now.
Wait, are we gonna show mine?
So
Aren't
this is
you
my
guys?
putty. This is my putty.
Why are you looking at the camera?
I am.
Look at the camera. The camera's like right here.
I know. I am.
Madeline, did you make this one?
Oh my god, guys. Just
Yeah,
listen
save
to
that for
anyone.
last. Yeah, you put too much scent in it.
I
It's
want to feel that
toothpaste.
slime.
You get to feel it in a
Oh,
minute.
is this a DIY one?
Yes.
DIY.
It's made out.
Do it. Your guys, comment down below what DIY means. Everyone here, my crew, do not tell them what it means.
Okay.
If you guys know what DIY means and you're a famous YouTuber that's actually watching me,
say bye to this one. This one was my favorite.
and goodbye to honey slime.
Okay.
I'm going for that one.
And we have this light blue slime.
The
It
ugly
is.
slime.
Wait. It is toothpaste scented because I made it out of
Toothpaste
toothpaste.
sentence.
It's a DIY.
Oh yeah,
It's
guys,
a
it's
DIY
DIY.
slime.
Can I play with it?
Hey guys, if you said do it yourself, you are right.
Yeah, because this was made out of toothpaste water, and glue. And then I mixed it all, and then it made this
So
slime.
toothpaste was the activator?
Yes, it is.
So toothpaste is actually an activator?
Yeah.
Cool.
I know there's new ways that you can use toothpaste for.
It's a bouncy
Ew.
slime. Kind of.
This sounds sort of
It's not
really.
too stretchy.
Watch, you'll bounce.
Oh, I made something.
It is
Oh
definitely.
my god.
It is definitely a jiggly slime.
Guys, Maddie didn't rate the Galaxy slime, which I'm actually playing
No,
with
because
right
she said it
now.
was her favorite.
Guys, okay,
She
hold on,
did-
hold on, guys, hold on. I lost the top of the head, but who cares? Guys,
It is definitely
watch
jiggly
this.
because-
See if this has
Watch it.
10 out of 10 or 1 out of 10 of stretchiness. That's just the slow part, but some people do like this. Like,
This
Why
is
do
actually
people-
a rip apart.
why do people
Yeah, this
rip
is
apart
totally
their
rip
slimes
apart
when they can
slime. It was
just enjoy
nice
the slowness? When
Yeah,
they can
but
just
wasn't
enjoy
it
it, guys.
in there?
When they just can enjoy
I
the
just
slowness of this beautiful slime.
Wait, should we tell them our favorite slime? Which one was our favorite out of our group?
So this was my favorite of
No.
hers.
You have to choose one on
I yours,
yours.
Kyle.
My favorite was this one.
My favorite has to be. It depends, guys.
Mine put the freaking
Back in the egg.
I like this one.
My favorite
It's
one.
not too soft.
Okay.
It's not too sticky. It's just
My
perfect.
favorite one was this blue one.
My favorite one of hers was this one.
Which one? Which is your favorite? Oh yeah, you already said. This one is just so good. It's sticky, stretchy, and they can make
I'm
a
not
slime
touching that
ball.
one.
Guys,
No.
quiet.
I'm not touching this one.
Guys, listen.
Beep. It's beeping.
Yeah, yell for mom.
Mom!
Alright, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, watch.
Should we take our favorites to the
Watch.
slime
Listen,
ball
listen,
test?
listen, listen, listen. 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 Listen to this. Listen to this.
Guys, always brush your teeth.
Listen.
Okay, this one is so
Guys, this always brush your teeth. Never brush. I didn't brush
Never
my
waste
teeth.
your toothpaste on a freaking slime.
I seriously didn't brush my teeth today because I didn't feel like it because I'm really tired.
These have those weird like beads that look like fidget spinners in it.
Oh, this is like. Guys, look at this.
It isn't.
I flattened it.
Should we do
Guys.
a slime bubble test?
Whoa, Maddie,
Wait.
chill.
Should we do a slime bubble test?
Rip
To our
headphone users.
This isn't rip one. Watch.
Rip
It'll
headphone users. We're actually
It
yelling.
ripped.
Always brush your teeth, everybody.
Rip.
And everybody listen to these announcements.
What was the worst slime that you
Listen to these announcements. Have a good day at school. Isn't that right, guys?
Yeah.
At school tomorrow. Oh yeah, guys.
It's Monday.
I won't be posting for a while until summer. And like on the weekends, I can try to get to you guys. Comment down below if I should stop YouTube until summer or do it on the weekends when I'm not busy. Comment down below. The most commented. Sorry, that was my clumsy brother.
Yeah.
He smacked us.
Yeah, you do.
Kenzie, shut up.
Now they
And
won't
tentatively, we're at our house right now. Shut up, Ken. Don't come like a friend. Okay, well, bye. Bye, fam. Oh yeah, I need more subscribers. I'm only at 3. So
Yeah, get her to 1,000.
I was just gonna.
100.
I was just gonna say like about like 100.
A million.
I was just gonna, guys, just get me to like 50. That's all I wish for. Bye.
No.
Bye,
3,000. Get her to 3,000. Bye.
Never listen to her. Bye, fam.
Bye.